In this video, I'll show you how to quickly remove duplicates in Zoho Sheet so your data stays clean, accurate, and easy to analyze. Duplicate entries can distort results, especially when you're working with large data sets. So using Zoho Sheet's built-in cleaning tool can save you a lot of time. Start by selecting the range of cells you want to scan. Make sure the selection includes every column where duplicates might appear, because this defines exactly what Zoho Sheet will check. Once your range is highlighted, go to the Data menu at the top of the screen. Inside this menu, you'll find an option called Data Cleaning. Open it and then choose the Find Duplicates tool. A side panel will appear and Zoho Sheet will instantly analyze your selection. It will show you how many entries are duplicates and how many are unique. This snapshot helps you understand the scale of the issue before you make any changes. When the results load, you will see several actions you can take. If you want to completely clear duplicate records, you can choose the delete option, which removes the repeated entries from your sheet. If you prefer to keep them for review or documentation, you can move or copy the duplicates to another sheet or a separate range. Zoho Sheet also lets you highlight duplicates, which keeps them visible in place while marking them clearly so you can review them manually before deciding what to do. And that's all you need to manage duplicates in Zoho Sheet. This simple tool helps you keep your data organized, accurate, and ready for clean reporting or analysis. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more easy tutorials on getting the most out of Zoho Sheet.